How to activate sound on Waze app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to activate sound on Waze app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Waze application on the device and make sure you are logged in to your Waze app, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in using your login credentials. Once logged in, you will be led to the home page of Waze app. Tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. Now, in Settings tab, you will see the option for voice and sound. Tap on that and make sure the option for on is selected in here, and with this, your voice will be activated. You can also tap on the Waze voice option and select a new voice direction from the various options shown to you. So, this is how you can activate sound on Waze app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.